So what's up, guys? I haven't been on here in a little bit, but I know these videos are sometimes short and there's not a lot going on. But I wanted to jump on here and let you guys know what I'm up to. So I just posted on Instagram a picture. Maybe I'll just show you a picture of this. Now these things aren't really providing a lot of support. The bed frame itself, right here. These are the long sides. These things here, and then there's a couple of short sides. I've got some support runners on the inside of that frame, and then a piece of plywood that's going to 3/4 inch plywood is going to go on top of that. Well, actually on top of this, but it's going to sit on that support runner all the way around. So it's going to have plenty of support. It's for my 4-year-old, so it shouldn't sag at all. So I really don't need this support system that I just made. So you know, I'm just adding it in, I guess, really for to keep things from sagging, which again, I really don't anticipate on anything sagging with that piece of plywood and the amount of weight that's going to be on it. So it should be fine. But this video is going to be released on Tuesday. I haven't had a video in the last couple of weeks. I had some family issues the week prior, 2 weeks ago, and then the last week I get caught up on some things, so I didn't have a video for last week either. So I'm trying to get back into the rhythm here. This is coming out, like I said, Tuesday, and then the following week I'll be getting into that Eco Ash that I showed you guys not too long ago. I'll be making a sliding barn door with that, and then also using some of that Eco Poplar for countertops in the bathroom. And my plan right now is just to finish that with polyurethane, but if you guys have any experience with that, with using wood for countertops, leave me a comment down below as to what you think I should use, because I'm curious and I'd like to know what you think, because I don't want to use something that I'm going to regret later. So if you guys know, hey, this works great, let me know. So yeah, that's what I've got going on. I got a few more things that I've got coming in, just waiting on UPS and other things to show up. So I was going to show you some other things, but I'll wait till they come in, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Later.